The modern kitchen often demands versatility and convenience. Enter the COMFEE 6-quart pressure cooker, a multi-cooker brimming with features that promise to simplify your culinary life. This review delves into the functionalities, strengths, and potential drawbacks of the COMFEE pressure cooker, helping you decide if it's the right fit for your kitchen. 12 presets for effortless cooking. The heart of the COMFEE pressure cooker lies in its 12 pre-programmed settings. These smart programs take the guesswork out of cooking, allowing you to whip up a variety of dishes with the simple touch of a button. Here's a glimpse of what you can make. Pressure cooker, cook beans, stews, soups, and more up to 70% faster compared to traditional methods. Sauté, brown meat and vegetables for one-pot wonders. Slow cooker, set it and forget it for slow-cooked meals like pulled pork or creamy casseroles. Steam delicate vegetables and seafood for a healthy and flavorful side dish. Oatmeal, prepare a warm and comforting breakfast of perfectly cooked oatmeal. Soup broth, create rich and flavorful homemade broths and soups. Egg, cook hard-boiled, soft-boiled, or poached eggs to perfection. Rice, achieve fluffy white rice or brown rice every single time. Bean chili, cook beans and chili with ease, thanks to the pressure cooking function. Yogurt, make your own healthy yogurt right at home. Note, yogurt making capability might be limited compared to dedicated yogurt makers. Warmer, keep your cooked meals warm until serving time. Replaces 9 kitchen appliances. The COMFEE boasts that it can replace 9 common kitchen appliances. This includes a pressure cooker, slow cooker, sauté pan, rice cooker, yogurt maker limited functionality, cake maker functionality unclear, egg cooker, steamer, and food warmer. While it can certainly handle most of these tasks, the functionality might not be as specialized as dedicated appliances. However, for a home cook who wants to streamline their countertop real estate, the COMFEE offers a compelling consolidation option. Recipes for the busy cook. COMFEE caters to busy lives by offering downloadable recipes specifically designed for those juggling work, family, and personal time. These recipes are accessible through the product guides on the Amazon product page. While convenience is a plus, it's important to note that these recipes might not be as extensive or diverse as what you'd find in dedicated recipe apps. Safety first. Safety is paramount in any pressure cooker. The COMFEE prioritizes safety with features like a lid lock, anti-block cover, pressure limiting valve, automatic pressure and temperature control, and overheat protection. The unit is also OL certified, ensuring compliance with safety standards. Easy cleaning and maintenance. The COMFEE pressure cooker features a healthy non-stick inner pot that's dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning. Additionally, all components in contact with food are BPA-free, ensuring your meals are cooked in a safe environment. The not-so-perfect side. While the COMFEE pressure cooker offers a plethora of features, there are a few potential drawbacks to consider. Limited recipe resources. The downloadable recipes might not be as comprehensive or diverse as what you'd find with other multi-cookers. Unclear functionality. Some advertised functionalities, like cake making, might be limited compared to dedicated appliances. Learning curve. With so many features, there might be a slight learning curve for first-time pressure cooker users. The final verdict, a feature-rich option for busy home cooks. The COMFEE 6-quart pressure cooker is a feature-packed option for busy home cooks who crave versatility in the kitchen. Its 12 pre-programmed settings, user-friendly controls, and dishwasher-safe components make cooking a breeze. However, if you're looking for an appliance with extensive recipe resources or highly specialized functions, you might want to explore other options. Overall, the COMFEE pressure cooker offers a compelling blend of functionality and convenience for those seeking a one-stop shop for a variety of everyday cooking tasks. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.